Hello, my name is Biplav Acharya and my college ID is 170039. Today I am going to make an Twitter-like app using Java and we will make the backend, that is API, using Node.js. Here we are running the API or backend. App is running at localhost colon 3002 and we are using MongoDB as database. Now we can look here. We have given the internet permission, camera permission, external storage, read and network state permission to the app, and we have used here clear traffic true and request legacy external storage true. And in build.gradle not in build.gradle we have implemented dependencies of recycle view, circle image, JSON retrofit converter, and glide, so on. Now let's dive into the code. First we will look at the splash screen activity. In splash screen activity the design is given here. The design looks like this, and in here we have done threading, where the app will we will give 2 seconds and it will open main activity class. Now in main activity we have design here as follows. Main activity, the design is here for main activity, and when we click on create account it will open the when we click on create user it will open sign up. Then let's go into sign up. In sign up we have made design here where there is username and email. So this so now let's look into the APIs which we have used. The APIs is user login, sign up, image upload, user check, Twitter list, and user info by ID. And here is a class where we have class retrofit, where we have base URL as the port as the service running as port 3002. Here is 3002, and we have made the object of retrofit and created API.class. So for sign up we have made the validation. Part here, and for checking user, first we should check if the user name is exist or not. For this we are using this API where we will use this check method, check API for validation. If the user is if there is no user, then we will get response as go ahead, and if the response check status equals go ahead, then we will go to customize experience and we will put extras, email and username. So if it is not, then it is so exited and the text color will be red. And now after this we will go to customize experience. Here the design is like this and we will click here next, then it will go to sign up privacy. In sign up privacy the design is like this. Sign up privacy design is like this, and we will set here username and password through bundle which we passed in ahead step. And when we click sign up, then it will, when we click sign up, it will open sign up class, and we will put extras email and username. And sign up class, in sign up class we have now after this we have verify email. After this it will open verify email, and in verify email we have also use our thread, and it will, that thread will execute for 1 second, and we will set that verification number as this, set text or this, and we will pass bundle. Again we will pass bundle as email and username. And when we click next, then it will open password activity. And in password activity we will type in password activity we will type password, and it will, and when we click next it will go to profile image, and in here we will upload the image, and this is code to open gallery and to get URI and to set the text image from gallery. And this is the code for uploading image. Here we have multi-part form data, and the name of that file will be image file, and we will call an upload image API, and it will return image model. Here is image model, it has file name. Then again we have another function where we will register the user using this API register, and we will set that users to email, password, username, and the image name from here, which we get from the response of image upload. And here for image upload we have make strict class mode, which will stop the thread, and this will execute. After that it will register the user, and it will go to login activity. Inside login activity we have set a token, set a string token to barrier, and for this we will pass email and password, and we will use a login LLB class for checking user. In login LLB we have a function which will return boolean, check user which is return boolean, and it has also a static string token which we will set to barrier. And when we call check user, it will give a sign up response, which is status and token, and it will give sign up response. If sign up response is successful, then we will get the status login success, and if it is equal to login success, then we will get login response dot body, and from that login response we will get that token and set it to the static string token. And if it is true, if the username exists, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false, which is success, which is false. And after that, here if login LLB dot check user is true, then we will open dashboard and set the token to a login LLB token, which we have generated the token from login LLB. And if it is written false, then we will toast either username or password is incorrect. And inside the dashboard we have two APIs, which is call which is to get the tweet list, which is user apis dot calls get tweet, and we will pass the token which we have set during the login. And if it is successful, if that login is successful, then it will return list of tweet response. In tweet response we have tweet image, username, full name, like, dislike and comment. And in that, and we have also another API which will get the details of the user that is logged in by passing token. Then if it is successful, then it will get a response. In response.body it will get user info list, where in user info list it will have ID, username and image, and we will set image path and get the name of image path and get the name of image and image path and set it to img path variable, and we will set that image to set bitmap image, and it will show the image, otherwise it will show the error message. And there is also a login button which will log in and take the user to login activity. And also we have a recycle view where we will show the list of tweet. Inside dashboard we have a recycle view. Here we have a recycle view, and for that we have made an tweet adapter, and this is base URL, and this is the path where we will extract the image. And we have a constructor, we have inflated the design tweet layout which is given here, tweet layout. And on bind view holder we have set the full name, tweet, like, dislike values and image values which we get from the constructor. And we have binded all the data here. And in activity dashboard we have in dashboard activity we have pass tweet ms, which is the list of tweet, and set adapter to recycle view, and set the layout manager to linear layout. Now let's see if this app is working or not. Okay, it is opening. Let's create an account. Username ROJIN12 ROJIN@gmail.com. Next, sign up. Next, password ROJIN12, and next let's set a profile image here. Now the user is created. Now let's log in. @gmail ROJIN@gmail.com ROJIN12. Let's log in. Now it is showing the profile images, and it is showing username, and it is showing post and images, it is showing like, dislike and comment, and this is in recycle view. That's it. Thank you.